Are you having a pending problem on the Google Play Store with installing games and apps? Well, some Android phone users are trying to install apps from their Google Play Store, but unfortunately they can't. Their downloaded item seems to be pending for a long time, and they want to install the pending items from the Google Play Store without deleting any apps. So in this video, I'll show some quick ways to solve pending issues on the Google Play Store. Now before you start, you need to understand one fact, that is, you can't install two apps at the same time because Google Play lets you install one app to another. For example, here, I'll install the Free Fire game. If I quickly install PUBG from the Play Store, the second app will be pending until the first game, which is Free Fire, gets downloaded. In that case, you need to wait till the first app gets installed on your phone. Now, if you find that every app shows you are pending and no application gets downloaded, then you need to follow some process. First, you need to run some troubleshooting processes for the internet. These issues can happen on unstable internet. First, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type internet speed test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 10 seconds and turn off your airplane mode. Or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. After that, open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, scroll down, tap Developer option, scroll down and find out an option called Wi-Fi Scan Throttling. Also, enable Always Keep Mobile Data on. After solving internet issues on your Android device, next you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps. First, you need to find Google Play Service. Tap Clear All Data. Tap OK. Now go back, find out the Google Play Store, tap on it. First, you need to tap App Permission. Enable Files and Media. Tap Allows. Also, enable Location. Tap Allows. Go back. Tap Restricted Data. Enable your SIM card. First, remove the last update of your device. Tap Uninstall Update. Tap OK. Now tap Clear Data. Tap Clear All Data. Tap OK. After that, open the Google Play Store, tap on the profile, tap Setting, tap Network Preferences, tap App Downloaded Preference, tap Over Any Network. After that, tap About, tap Update Play Store. Now open your Google Play Store apps. Now try to install some app or game and see if you still have pending issues with your Google Play Store. Please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.